Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video only made for core core airdrop install install version in your mobile phone. So please keep watching and stay with me. So I also always time tutorial news uploaded in this my YouTube channel. So if you stay with me, you can everyday information from tutorial. And also please subscribe my telegram YouTube channel. And also I request to you, please join my telegram group and also share your hashcard and gift card in correlated, and also other information available here. So if you joining my telegram group, you will get benefit in future. So this video only English version, so which are Bangladeshi people, please if you watch this or avoid this. I also make a Bangla version after few hours. So this only video make for but English version. So now core app will update version is available here. So if you watch this video, you will easily update your core mining. Is when you uploaded this app, this will be free airdrop. So how to doing this, I also show you. So it's now please watching. When you click on my YouTube channel, then please click on any one video. I preferably select you this one or this one. Please click this, and sometime you must be scroll down, and please select this link. Please select this link and click on. Okay. When you click this link, then you come to this site. You come to this site. It's not available for Google Play Store. So when you click this link, you come to this site. Then download this Android APK. Please, I also say again, please download Android APK and click this. When you click this, it will be downloaded, and when you click this, and it will be downloaded, and you click this download option and click, it will be working, and it will be downloading some moment. Okay. Then when you complete this downloaded option, please click this option. Okay. When you click this option, here is a there is a permission to your phone is kindly it's allow to install the unknown from source. You change your setting. Please change your setting. So click this setting option. Then you come to this allow from a source. This button press to press left to right. Okay, just click on this option. Okay, when you click this press this option left to right, then come to this option, and here's the Satoshi. Do you want to update this app? Please click this option update the update version. Please click on. Okay, it will be installing. Then when you installing done, please open this option. Okay, you click this open option. Again, you not select this option, you select this open option. Okay, then you come to this their free airdrop, your dashboard. Okay, what do you now? here is only show your BTC and also co, but when you updated another option added, it will be gone. So what do you now? When you come this option, please select this add a project. I say again, you select must be add project. Okay, I also click this. Okay, when you click this option test coin, okay, as a test coin TCA and test coin TCB, every here is available here. So three option. So you first only test coin A selected. Okay, click this option, this type. Also click this. Okay, I also click this. Okay, now I come to this test coin A TCA. Then what do you now? Please participate in airdrop. Please click this option, participate, click this option. Okay, I also click this now, and also click this and close. Successfully participate airdrop. Okay, 25 minutes, every 25 minutes you will be receive this. Now it close. Okay, now then you second option, not exit. Please do not exit. Then when you click this, I say again, when you successfully close, then you come to this option claim hash. Okay, claim hash, click. I say again, please click the claim hash. Then come to this daily 24 hours after you claim the receive this claim hash. Okay, I also click this now. Okay, submitted successfully. Then close it and back now. Okay, and you back now. This the second option test coin B. When you back to this site, then you select this test coin B TCB. Then you same this option participate in airdrop. Click this. Okay, also click this. Now successfully participate in airdrop. Participate in project will be airdrop in system and 23 minutes, and there will airdrop will not appear this. Okay, then you second option test coin C. Here is a test coin C available. So scroll down and test coin C. Then I also see, and now I also join this site. Please click this. You must be click this, and now that successfully participate on airdrop. And okay, so this must be open this and participate this three site. And when you back to your main airdrop, select this airdrop. Here is a project. When you project, you come to this site, and when you airdrop select, there is you come to this site. Okay, then please click this select project. Okay, click. I also click this, and okay, so you can sorry, you sometime you click this scroll down and click this option claim every time, and with transaction with MetaMask. Then you come to this when you select this option, you go to this test coin. That's the one. When our you come back and another, and also select this airdrop option. Okay, that's the that's okay. You will be gonna every time you will be receive this, and also claim this. That's the in every 1 hour or any time in the day you will receive this. Okay, now I also claim my all in this will be claiming, and every time you claim it, and also receive this hash power and gift card share, and also share your claim MetaMask. Okay, that's the end of video. Or if you face any problem, please join my Telegram, and I also teach you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.